next we're gonna connect USB cable, and we'll usually do, can you zoom on that? I don't know if you can see it. There's two USB connectors. It says 2/3 and 4/5, so you wanna go lower 2. So basically like first one. And connect like so. Place. Okay. Alright, next I'll connect the cables, SATA cables. So the trick is here. We'll look for the numbers. Current numbers will be port 4. So you want to connect to a set of 3 and motherboard. So it's 0, 1, 2, and 3. Go 3 here. So, and then next would be 45 centimeters. Goes here, or set of 3. Set of 2. I'm sorry. 23, 35. What's next? Go to set of 1, and last the 23 goes into 0, which is here. Okay, I'll make sure cables are not blocking the camera. So. Okay. Alright, next would be, what is that? I forgot what's the name for it. Intrusion detection, something. So you gotta make sure.
Show the button.
The red wire connected to GL1. And connected to the white triangle there, like so. There we go. Right. And okay. We need one more cable here. Okay.